see this spot right here. I think we have some early blight.
Yes, I see it. Should we mark this section for now?
Corta este de aquí.
Sí, y amarramos aquel.
The magnified visualization confirms the structural changes we hypothesized.
Excellent. Let's run the sequencing data next.
Look at the graph on the left. The growth rate spiked after the adjustment. That explains the density readings.
Yeah, we should replicate this across Sector 4.
This diagram highlights the new lockout procedure. Ensure all energy sources are isolated.
So we tag the main breaker first,
Exactly.
even for
How is the acidity on this batch?
It's perfect. Much richer flavor profile.
The heirloom tomatoes really made a difference.
Here you can see the tomatoes being carefully washed and sorted before moving on to our high-speed, hygienic bottling line.
Welcome to the future of agriculture. Our vertical farm utilizes advanced hydroponics, delivering nutrient-rich water directly to the roots.
The dashboard identifies water stress in real time, allowing us to optimize irrigation precisely.
This throughput drop correlates exactly with the temperature increase here.
Yes, but look at the vibration sensor readings on the secondary grid.
We are so proud to partner with local farmers to bring fresh produce to the school food bank.
Thank you all so much. The children are absolutely thrilled.
Bursaries. This feedback mentions a recurring issue with the interface. Yeah.
The data on the dashboard confirms a spike in negative reviews here.
Bello. It's perfect now. Just like Nona's.
The basil really brings it all together.
The tensile strength is even better than the last batch.
Yes, the adjustments to the drying process worked perfectly.
Rerouting through the Suez cuts transit time by 3 days.
But that congested lane is still a major risk.
The alternative rail links mitigate that bottleneck entirely.
Go on, try it. It's ready. Perfect. Just like Nona's.
This spike here correlates directly with the processing temperature.
Yes, optimizing that sequence reduced the error rate significantly.
So we can scale this improvement across the whole line then.
Absolutely.
The efficiency metrics are up 20% since Q2.
That aligns perfectly with the reduction targets we set.
We need to optimize the flow rate here. This valve design seems promising. The cavitation risk is lower. Let's test this prototype immediately.
These roasted tomato crackers are excellent. We should package them with the sauce.
Yes, a dual pack. The
Yeah.
texture is perfect.
I agree. That highlights both products well.
I told him, you must be joking. The look on his face.
You always have the best stories, darling. More rice, please.